Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So you are looking at my little spring wreath that I created. So just wanted to share this with you today. This was actually going to be a tutorial, but because of my filming situation, I could only film this once because I only had to make, one time. The camera failed, I guess, halfway through it, and I didn't know because it showed it was still filming. Anyway, I will walk you through and tell you how I made it, though. So I had these beautiful tulips that I bought last year from Ollies. Not Aldi's, I take that back. From Ollies. And they were $1.99 a stem. And so I bought these last year. And I planned on using them on my mother's and my grandmother's and then gravesite for Easter. And then I also got some red ones, and I got these beautiful Easter lilies. And they were all, I think, $1.99. Yep. So I got those. And then the little white flowers, came from the Dollar Tree. And then these crosses I actually picked up from, when I say Hobby Lobby, they were like $1 a piece or something last year. And so, and then the wreath frame like this actually came from the Dollar Tree. I managed to get one of the large ones. And so I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Tulips are my favorite flowers, in case I never told you that. But I love the way it came out. It was just really easy. I did not glue most of the flowers in. Most of them are just stuck through the wicker part itself. And then I just dispersed the little white flowers in between to kind of break it up. And then I just put 2 little tulips on this side and some white flowers here. And on the cross, I didn't, I had debated about painting it, making it stand, but I didn't. I left it natural. The only thing I did was I did spray a couple of coats of the clear acrylic sealer on it. And it just brought out the natural wood grain in it. And I just like it. It looks kind of rough, and that's just the way it reminded me. Maybe the cross that Jesus might have died on. So I left it alone. But I'm very pleased with the way this turned out. I think it's so pretty. And so I just thought I would share that with you. I do apologize for not being able to film it, but it really wasn't anything earth-shattering that really needed a tutorial on anyway. So it's just, placing flowers on here. And the cross, now the cross, I did have to use extra strength glue. For whatever reason, it didn't want to stick to this, but it is all nice and stuck now. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So Ollies does have nice flowers from time to time, and I thought, a stem with 8 to 10 tulips on each thing for $1.99. I thought that was an exceptional price last year, and I do believe they still have some in now. They do have some spring flowers for 79 cents a stem I saw in the ad. As you know, I'm on a spending free, so I haven't been. It's been hard to stay away from all these stores, I have to tell you. So, but anyway, this is my wreath. So if you like this, please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And, yeah. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking the little button up there on the top. And that way you'll be, and tap the bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. So that is it for today. Don't forget about tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I'll have Card Design Thursday, where normally I would be doing a Christmas card since we're on an off week. But this week, since Easter is so close, I will be going ahead and doing another Easter card for the kids. And then tomorrow night at 7 p.m. we will have our Thursday night live. And I'll be showing you the progress on my altered book. And which is going to be a prayer journal. So please join us for that. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. And I will upload a picture of this so you can see the whole thing as it hangs up. All right, see you soon. Bye.